Yeah. Let's go to Auntie Cookie. Storytime.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Let's
go.
I wonder who that is.
Can you read us a story?
Sure. Nieces, nephews, come on in.
What time is it?
Auntie Cookie.
It's time to come on in. Let's begin. Open the magic door and jump into Auntie Cookie story time. Auntie Cookie story time. Boogie yeah, boogie yeah. Auntie Cookie story time. Auntie Cookie story time.
Go, Dog, Go by P.D. Eastman. Published by Broiler Book Club Edition, a division of Random House Inc. Dog. Big dog. Little dog.
Can we see the picture?
Big dogs, little dogs. Black and white dogs. Hello. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye. One little dog going in, 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree, a blue dog on a red tree, a green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. One dog up on a house. 3 dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree. 2 dogs in a house. On a boat. In the water. A dog over the water. A dog under the water. Hello again.
Hello.
Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it.
I do.
Goodbye again.
Goodbye.
The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house.
Wow.
Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dogs at work. Work, dogs work. Dogs at play. Play, dogs, play. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Well, Goodbye again. Goodbye. Dogs in cars again. Going away fast.
Bye-bye.
Look at those dogs go. Go, dogs, go. Stop. Dogs, stop. The light is red now. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now.
Bye-bye.
Two dogs at play. At play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up three. Go down. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It's a time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Now it's day. The sun is up. Now it's time for all the dogs to get up. Get up. It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go. There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they are going. They are all going to that big tree over there.
Party in a tree.
Now the cars stop. Now the dogs get out. And now look where those dogs are going. To the tree. To the tree.
Party in a tree.
Up the tree. Up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why?
Because it's a
Will
party.
they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of that tree? A dog party, a big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs. All are dogs. All are at the dog party. What a dog party. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. Goodbye. Goodbye. And that was Go Dogs Go.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.